Hello, bawb. Diolch wrando. Hello, everyone. Thanks for listening. Carcharu dyn o'r gogledd ar ôl iddo honni bod car trydan allan o reolaeth ar draffyrdd. Draffyrdd. Imprisonment for a man from the north after he claimed that an electric car was out of control. It's not right. Man imprisoned after it's claimed that a electric car was out of control on a motorways. Cyfres, pedwar a phennod, rhif, chant a hanner. Series 4 and episode number 350. Gymraeg, so Welsh, as in the language. Today, when I get to it, heddiw yw dydd Llun, y trydydd o'r Awst. Heddiw yw dydd Llun. Today's Monday, y trydydd o Awst, 2026. The 3rd of August, 2026. Ac mae hi'n 2 funud ar 15 i 10 o'r hwyr. Ac mae hi'n 2 funud ar 15 i 10 o'r hwyr, which is 17 minutes to 10 in the evening, PM. O'r hwyr, up to about 6 PM, it's o'r prynhawn. After 6 PM, it's o'r hwyr. Before 12 midday, it's o'r bore, because it's the morning then, AM. There we go. I can get some things right. I could be wrong. I could be right. Oh, I'm not allowed to sing that. Posters. These are the words today. Bysai is he sure it would. It's like basai from board. Bawn if I were from board as well. That's like tasun and so on. Berffaith, perfect, soft mutation of perffaith. Heriol, challenging, so an adjective. Her is challenge, heriol, it turns into an adjective, challenging. Possible is possible, conceivable. Creftwr, craftsman. Got the word creft for craft and ur, which means man or gentleman or husband, gŵr. And if you put ur on the end of the words, you make a person that does that thing. Creftwr, and it's generally the masculine or male version of the person doing it. Creftwr, craftsman, it's the default word for that thing. And if there's a word for a woman to do it, it's often rhaeg at the end, so it might be creftraig for a craftswoman. Or S sometimes as well, isn't it? ES on the end of words to make them the feminine. Like dyn is man, dynas is woman, that kind of thing. What else have we got? Feirniadaeth, criticism, soft mutation of beirniadaeth. Gystadlu, compete, to compete in something. Gystadlu, soft mutation of cystadlu. Goron, crown, soft mutation of coron. Eog is guilty. Gamfanteisio is exploit or abuse, soft mutation of camfanteisio. And then we've done to some news items. Do we have that word? See that? There's 2 other words. They're not there. Oh, there they are. Rhywol, sexual or sexy. Rhywol. Sychaf, driest, thirstiest, stalest, most boring. Superlative of sich. So sich can mean dry. That's not wet in English. But it can mean dry. Dry can be like someone's boring, isn't it? I'm not boring. I'm just different, Driest, thirstiest, stalest, most boring. Superlative of sich. Sachav. If I'm boring, then you get bored easily. So you're the boring one. No, everything can get boring, doesn't it? And anything can get boring. Doing what you love can get boring if you do it too much. That's what I did with busking when I was doing my music. I didn't want to do it for a long time. So I had to do it. Anyway, going on. News items. Coron Eisteddfod o Garreg Glas I Martin Hughes am gasgliad sy'n trafod un o'r themau mwyaf heriol possible. Eisteddfod o Garreg Glas crown to Martin Hughes for a collection that discusses one of the most challenging themes possible. Teyrnged i'r bardd a'r crefftwr Hedd Bleddyn sydd wedi marw yn 87 oed. A tribute to the poet and craftsman Hedd Bleddyn, who has died aged 87. Hugh Edwards yn ymateb I feirniadaeth wedi iddo gystadlu am y goron. Hugh Edwards responds to criticism after he competed for the crown. Pimp o'r gogledd yn eog o gamfanteision rhwyol ar blant. 5 from the north convicted of sexually exploiting children. Now we have the lyrics to today's song. So the episode today is called O Gymraeg, because where I was up to in the story yesterday was I'd got to Wales in the song. And this is a bit after that when I start learning Welsh. So that's why it's called O Gymraeg. So roedd geiriau newydd yn bob man. New words were everywhere. And then I've got to find them. Enwau strydoedd, enwau tai. Posteri ac yn y blaen. Street names, house names, posters and so on. Bysau pobl yn neidio o Saesneg i'r Gymraeg. People would jump from English to Welsh. Mae angen I mi wybod beth mae nhw'n ei ddweud ac yn canu. I need to know what they're saying and singing. Dwi'n caru'r Gymraeg. I love the Welsh language. Roedd gan y llyfrgell lyfrau yn y Gymraeg a'r Saesneg. The library had books in Welsh and English. Pe bawn ni'n gallu dod o hyd I un yn y ddwy iaith. If I could find one in both languages. Roedd Asterix a Tintin yn berffaith. Asterix and Tintin were perfect. Dechreuais ddysgu rhai geiriau. I started to learn some words. Dwi'n caru'r Gymraeg. I love the Welsh language. Penderfynais fynd i'r ysgol uwchradd cyfrwng Cymraeg. I decided to go to the Welsh medium secondary school. Roedd yr athrawon yn wych. The teachers were great. Roeddwn i'n hoffi celf, gwyddoniaeth, mathemateg a cherddoriaeth. I liked art, science, maths and music. Popeth yn y Gymraeg. Everything in Welsh. Dwi'n caru'r Gymraeg. I love the Welsh language. So, yeah, I do. I always have. And Asterix, yeah, and Tintin in the library. This is like 1984. Yeah, when I was 10, getting the books out in English and Welsh, determined to learn Welsh. And then I went to Welsh secondary school, even though all the Welsh kids that were in my primary school in English medium went to an English medium secondary school. The oddball, only 2 years in Wales, decides to go to do all his secondary education in Welsh. And yeah, thank you, Gareth Henshaw, the art teacher, for helping me out loads of the Welsh. Thank you, John Daniel, the music teacher, for starting me off being obsessed with composing. He showed us Amadeus, brilliant film. Anyway, waffling on, here's the song. Ta-ra. Roedd geiriau newydd ym mhob man. Enwau strydoedd, enwau tad, posteri ac yn y blaen. Bysau bobl yn neidio I Saesneg i'r Gymraeg. Mae angen I mi wybod beth maen nhw'n ei ddweud ac yn canu. Dwi'n caru'r Gymraeg! Roedd gynnall lyfrau yn y Gymraeg a'r Saesneg. Pe bawn ni'n gallu dod o hyd I hun yn y ddwy iaith. Roedd Asterix a Tintin yn berffaith. Diceiais dysgu creu geiriau. Dwi'n caru'r Gymraeg! Penderfynais fynd i'r ysgol uwchradd gyfrwng Gymraeg. Roedd yr athrawon yn wych. Roeddwn i'n hoffi celf, gwyddoniaeth, mathemateg a cherddoriaeth. Popeth yn y Gymraeg. Dwi'n caru'r Gymraeg!